very black, so.
At some point I'm going to try a miracle magic behind it.
Okay.
Well, I got a little tiny fly on my camera.
What's that?
Little tiny fly on my camera.
Oh, really? What does it look like?
Well, it looks like a big flea.
Does it have a tail?
No.
No tail?
No tail.
How big?
About a quarter of an inch.
Huh. It must be an adult midge of some kind. Put that camera out. Yeah, baby. Zoom right in. We better come over here and have an interview real quick.
So what have you got there, Ron?
Well, this is the first fish of the day. It's a nice 13, 14 inch Puffer rainbow caught on my favorite special tie called an RJPT. Now, I want the fans to understand out there that I just had rotator cuff surgery 16 days ago. This is my 4th time on the river, and I'm casting with my arm that just had rotator cuff surgery about 16 days ago. Now, I only have one testicle, so that kind of evens things out a bit. I'm not trying to brag or anything, but you will notice this gorgeous creature here. And if you'll kind of just keep the camera on him, I'll show you something here that'll amaze you.
Amazing.
So we very gently take the fly out of his mouth. Put him back in the net. Get this stuff out of the way. And then I start to perform what's called the Ronnie rub down. Now I'm going to have this fish so totally hypnotized in 2 minutes you won't believe it. This is going to be a slow experience for you folks out there in camera land, but that's okay. It's going to be a nice experience. See now how he's settling down right there in my hand? He's hardly wiggling. And in case anybody thinks he's injured, you can get a close-up here. See that he's not injured at all. He's regained his strength. Now the water here is about 35 degrees, and so this guy here doesn't have a lot of energy right now because he's in his winter condition, and they slow down a little bit. But look at this fish. I got him to where he's just, I'm putting him to sleep is basically what I'm doing. And then once I get him really asleep, I bring him out. Oops, he's not quite asleep yet. He needs a little more work. My hand is freezing. But this is a beautiful example of a Colorado rainbow. Just a gorgeous fish. Look at that. He's just putty in my hands. And watch this. Look at that creature. Now, if that isn't proof that Jesus Christ is alive, you tell me what is. Right there. Total, concrete, logical truth. See, these guys become my pet. Now, if I hold him in here long enough, and I put him back in the water, he'll go down to the water here's edge and sit there until I come back, reach down in the water, and start petting him again. Ah! Look at this guy. See, so many fishermen, they jerk the fly, or not the fly, mostly bait fishermen, they'll jerk the bait right out of the fish's stomach and throw them on the ground and let them flop around until they're dead. I kill these guys, but I put them out real quick. And I don't kill very many. Why would I? I mean, he likes me. Now here's the most important part. This is the therapy part, okay? You come back and you let me catch you again, okay? Because I'm a nice guy. Now, if this guy's quiet enough, he'll go right down here in the water. I'll let him go. No game this time. He took off. Boy, what a beautiful fish, eh?
Yes.